English is a transformative language that can greatly enhance your skills and open up new opportunities for you. Famous people from the Middle East and America have emphasized the importance of learning English and the impact it can have on your life. Oscar-winning director Ang Lee once said, "Language is the key to communication. If you can speak it, you can talk to people and understand them." This is especially true for English, which is the most widely spoken language in the world. By learning English, you can connect with people from all over the globe and expand your horizons. Prize-winning author Najib Mahfouz once said, "The Arabic language is my home, but my work has expanded to the whole world." English is the main language of communication today. Mahfouz recognized the importance of English as a language that transcends borders and facilitates communication on a global scale. Former US President Barack Obama once said, "We need to make sure that every young person, regardless of where they come from or what they look like, has the opportunity to learn English." Obama recognized the importance of English in leveling the playing field and creating opportunities for people from all backgrounds. Learning English can transform your personal and professional life. It can enhance your communication skills, boost your confidence, and increase your job prospects. Keep working hard and practicing your English skills. Remember the wise words of Nelson Mandela, who said, "If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. But if you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart." By learning English, you can connect with people's hearts and create meaningful relationships that can change your life. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.